In today's video, I'm going to teach you Jasper AI versus ChatGPT 2026. Which one is better? Let's start by clearing up the core difference. ChatGPT is a general-purpose AI assistant built to handle a wide range of tasks: writing, research, coding, and everyday problem-solving. Jasper AI, on the other hand, is a marketing-focused platform. It's designed around brand content, campaigns, and structured business workflows. Think of ChatGPT as flexibility first, while Jasper leans into specialization. If you need an adaptable tool that can jump between tasks, ChatGPT fits the bill. If your priority is producing on-brand marketing content in a repeatable way, Jasper is built for that. Now for a quick feature overview. ChatGPT shines with broad capabilities, from natural conversation and brainstorming to technical writing, code generation, and even multimedia supportive tasks. Jasper focuses on marketing templates, brand voice consistency, and collaboration features that help teams produce content at scale. With ChatGPT, you guide the output heavily through prompts. With Jasper, you pick the right template, set your brand parameters, and move through a defined workflow. Let's talk pricing and value. ChatGPT is generally more affordable, with a free tier and lower cost paid plans, which makes it accessible to individuals and small teams. Jasper is typically more expensive and is positioned for business teams who care about governance, approvals, and consistent brand output. For most users, especially solo creators and generalists, ChatGPT offers better value because of the pricing flexibility and breadth of use. On content quality and use cases, both are strong, but in different lanes. ChatGPT performs well across blogs, research summaries, emails, technical documentation, and more. It's a great all-rounder. Jasper excels in marketing-specific outputs like ad copy, SEO-optimized articles, and brand-consistent social posts. Jasper's strength is that it's optimized for structured workflows, so it helps you hit the same voice and format every time. ChatGPT can match that quality, but it relies more on your prompting skill and your process. Who should use which? ChatGPT is ideal for students, freelancers, developers, and general users who want one tool that can do almost everything. Jasper is ideal for marketing teams, agencies, and businesses that need consistent brand voice and scalable content production with collaboration baked in. Here's the final verdict. ChatGPT is the better overall tool thanks to its versatility, cost efficiency, and broad capabilities. Jasper AI is the better choice if your top priority is structured marketing workflows and team-based content systems where brand consistency comes first. Pick the one that aligns with your daily needs and the way your team works.